doing more from list to sold. That's the sign of a REMAX agent, but that's also what you get when you list with the Cheyenne Dream Team. Look, I'm out here, whoa, in a snowstorm on a scooter. Some may say it's dumb. I say it's doing more. When you list with the Cheyenne Dream Team, we pair top-notch marketing with razor-sharp negotiating skills to help you dodge the icier parts of your transaction. We would love to help you sell your home quicker than the Cheyenne market average and for more, assuming I'm not in the hospital. Let the Cheyenne Dream Team at REMAX Capital Properties show you why we do more from list to sold. Just look at our happy sellers at 301 West 5th Avenue. We're closing next week. That could be you.